A mind map is an amazing thought organization tool that allows us to declutter our mind around any given topic. It's as if we are dumping our brain onto paper, which provides us an objective perspective of what's really going on in there. Think of it as a visual representation of your own mind, like you are projecting all the thoughts that are centered around one topic out onto paper. For example, cleaning the house can be a complex endeavor. There are multiple areas of the home, with multiple rooms in each area. Not only that, but each area calls for different types of cleaning and supplies. I don't know about you, but I get easily overwhelmed when I'm cleaning. Like many things in life, I'll think about something that needs done and completely drop what I'm doing in order to take care of it. Meanwhile, what I stop doing needs done just as badly as what I start on. This is where mind maps come into play. Mind mapping the task of cleaning the house maps the entire process onto paper, so we don't have to worry about hanging on to everything with memory. This is how it'd look. The main topic, which is cleaning the house in this case, goes into a circle or box in the center of the page. From there, we'd branch out to subtopics, which could be the different areas of the house we've got to clean: kitchen, living room, dining room, bedrooms, and bathrooms. We'll add cleaning supplies too in case there are a few we need to get. Now we can take it a step further and branch out from the subcategories. From the areas of the home, we'll add certain tasks to take care of. For the cleaning supplies, we'll add which ones we need to pick up from the store. When you consider that we could keep branching out from subtopics into the smallest of details, you see how making a mind map before cleaning your house could really help keep the process organized. So how would we make one of these mind maps about ourselves? To make a mind map about yourself, you would follow the same concept as we did for cleaning the house, but write your name in the center of the page instead. For this example, we will make 6 subtopics and make them 6 of the most important areas of our lives, being ourselves, others, money, projects, leisure, and thoughts or ideas. So the topic myself covers your relationship with yourself, such as your physical, mental, and emotional health, as well as your personal goals. The topic of money covers your relationship with money, such as your job, savings goals, and other things like budgeting. Others covers your relationship with your friends, family, and significant other. Projects covers any ideas that you are currently working on, want to tend to later in life. This could be anything from skills you want to acquire to a business you want to start. Leisure is also an important part of our lives, and this topic covers your relationship with things like travel and hobbies. Lastly, we have thoughts and ideas, which serves as a journal to log your thoughts and ideas. By mapping out these important areas of our life, we can view them through a lens which we couldn't otherwise. Creating a mind map about ourselves provides us with a visual representation of our thoughts and allows us to objectively map out and identify a healthy, balanced lifestyle.